evaluate the determinant of A if A is the matrix where the row is 3, 2, -1, 6, 2, -6, and 0, 8, -3. So to evaluate the determinant, we start with the 3. So we have 3, and now we essentially cross out the row and column where 3 is, leaving us this 2 by 2 matrix. And now what we do is we multiply 2 times -3, which is -6. And we subtract from that, multiplying 8 times -6, which is -48. Then we move to the second row, and we write down, again, this time it's a minus that's in front of this because, once again, we alternate the signs, and we have plus and then minus. So the 6, we cross out column 1 and row 2. That leaves us a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, -1, 8, and -3. So now we multiply 2 times -3, which is -6. And we subtract from that 8 times -1, which is -8. We now go to the third row, column 1, and there's a 0. Now, technically, we add 0 times, well, we cross out column 1 and row 3. It leaves us with the 2 by 2 matrix of 2, -1, 2, -6. However, we're going to be multiplying that by 0, and therefore we don't really need to evaluate this. But let's at least show that what it would be is 2 times -6, which is -12, minus 2 times -1, which is -2. So now this would be equal to 3 times. Well, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So we have -6 plus 48. That equals 42. Then minus 6 times. Again, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive, so we have -6 plus 8, and that's 2. As we said, 0 times this expression will be 0, and so right now all we have to do is evaluate this expression. 3 times 42 gives us 126, minus 6 times 2, which is -12. When we subtract 12 from 126, we have 114. And so the determinant of A equals 114.